ready to sand, and I'm going to use my angled grinder, drill, whatever, with sandpaper on here. I'm going to start 80 grit, work our way through that. We're going to probably go up to 240, maybe even 320 on this. It's really looking cool. So get some breathing protection on, and have at it. Okay. Again, we're not spinning this, we're spinning this. Okay, we are now doing the fun part and putting some Watco Danish oil on here. I'm using actually cloth this time. You almost always see me use paper towels, but paper towels will stick into the grain a lot harder than this cloth will. So I can always get the cloth fibers out again when I need to. The paper would stick in there, and what I'm talking about is on this side. How cool are we here? I'm gonna put finish on this all the way by blotting it like so. Now Brian and I have been thinking about this and talking about this for quite a bit about what are we going to call this project. I mean, it's Burl and it's a bowl, but that's kind of boring. But anyway, if you look at it, Brian came up with the right idea. It looks like a crater in a moon or something. So we're going to call this the Crater Burl Bowl. Now, I know I'm teasing you guys right now. I haven't shown you what that center looks like yet. So let me get a little more on here. So anyway, we'll come here. Here we go. Get ready for Woodturner's porn. Dum, dum, dum. I wish I had that music. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, the different variations of the wood and how deep and red this is. I think it's red mallee burl from Australia. I mean, that is some pretty incredible looking wood.